Hostinger Honest Review. Is it really the best cheap web hosting? I had the same question you do. Hostinger is cheap, like really cheap compared to other hosts. So, what's the catch? Is it slow? Does it crash? Is the support terrible? I needed to find out. So, I built 3 identical test sites, one on Hostinger, one on Bluehost, one on SiteGround. Same WordPress theme, same content, same plugins. Ran them for 3 months. Here's what actually happened. Hostinger's load speed was faster than Bluehost. Not by a lot, but consistently faster. SiteGround edged out Hostinger slightly, but SiteGround costs almost triple. Uptime was solid across all 3 months. No random crashes, no mornings where I woke up to my site being down. It just worked. Support surprised me. I tested their chat at like 2 a.m. with a random question. Got a response in under 4 minutes. The person actually knew what they were talking about, not reading from a script. So where's the catch? Renewal pricing. Your first term is super cheap with the discount in my description. When it renews, the price goes up. Not as cheap anymore. Still competitive with others, but that initial price doesn't last forever. Storage on the basic plan is limited. If you're hosting massive video files directly on your site, you'll run into limits. But most beginners won't hit that ceiling. Bottom line, for the price, especially with the current discount, Hostinger punches way above its weight. It's cheap, but it's not low quality. That's rare. Check my description or pinned comment for the biggest Hostinger discount. Lock in that low intro price while it's available.